You are about to discover how even ordinary online marketers can generate extraordinary income just adding this to their sales funnel. How would you like to create feats with your income? Working only 4 to 20 hours a month. This might come as a surprise, considering how simple this business model is, and perhaps that's exactly why this is often overlooked. If you look at the top online marketers, experts and authority figures in the information business, you will see that those who generate high 6 figures and 7 figures a year have a few things in common. One of them is having their own webinar. Running your own webinar is easily one of the smartest decisions you can make today that will influence your bottom line. Here are 5 reasons why. You can easily sell high-ticket programs anywhere from $300 to $2,000 and even more. Attract premium quality, laser-targeted leads, and ditch the tire kickers. Position yourself as a Tier 1 expert in your niche. Run your own seminar from your computer, minus the big budget. The good news that even as you read this, most business owners have yet to tap into its full potential because they share a limiting belief that running webinars is only for a certain type of people with talent for speaking. This couldn't be farther from the truth. And I prove it in my Profitable Webinars Blueprint. Profitable Webinars Blueprint is what you need if you want to know how to conduct successful, profitable webinars. I show you step by step on how to crank out webinars that attract targeted leads. I will also show you how to convert attendees into raving fans and pledge loyalty to your high-ticket programs, and just as important, how to fill your webinar rooms. And you don't need a lot of gadgets or fancy stuff to pull this off. With a keynote or PowerNote presentation, you're ready to go. If you're tired of launching products all the time or peddling low-ticket offers, hoping the volumes will make ends meet, while the same buyers are ready and willing to fork out $2,000 for a back-end program from your competitors, then you seriously need this. Act now and strengthen your profits and authority in your industry.